coming to you live again. So today I want to talk about the update on EY5 Finance, and I'll talk about many other things beyond the airdrop, the withdrawal. Currently, the withdrawal has been opened, many other things. So if you're new to this finance, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button so man reach places. So today, if you are new to the channel, kindly remember that before you get into this, you need to watch my previous videos on EY5 and how to buy it, especially how to buy it. I made a video on how to buy EY5 and how to buy EY5, how to claim the drops. So but if you are already someone that's been following this topic before, you will know that this is Etherconnect platform, and EY5 is planning to launch another pre-sale, another coin called Panda Uno, and there's also an airdrop too. So I'll be touching each of the topics. So this video will be kind of a long video. So let's go into the video. First of all, I need to talk about the airdrop. The airdrop, according to the announcement they made on the Telegram page, according to the announcement they made on the Telegram page, they talked about allowing all the withdrawal for this is the announcement they made today, that they will be allowing the withdrawal for the airdrops by September 1st, and these are the conditions for it. If you engaged the airdrop, you'll be getting 1% of your airdrop monthly. So it means if you have 21 token here, you will get 1% of it, which is around 2 UI5, depending on the percentage of app. That's about you need to know about that. And you need to know that this airdrop still continue till, I think, yes, it's continuing to the end of this month. This is the month of August, so it is clearly stated here that the airdrop is still available. So what you want to do is, if you are new to the EY5, you want to accumulate more EY5, you can simply keep on referring more people into your airdrop. How do you claim the airdrop? You can watch it in the video, or you simply go down into my description button. You see EY5.com. Yes, so there you can get the referral link and join, and you get 0.3 from before. They talked about give us one EY5 each to every person, but since the coin is increasing price, at the point the coin was $350 each. If they were giving people $350 each gift, it's fine. It's crashed the coin currently on the. If you check the coin price of the coins, that really affects some of the withdrawals they are allowing to us to take out, have really affected the price action on the Pogon coin. But they have other plans too. So that's about the airdrop. So and concerning those of you that have purchased this coin on Etherconnect, now if you don't know about Etherconnect before, what I will advise you is that if you want to get EY5 or ECC coin or Panda Inu or the other project I'm talking about, which I'll talk about in that video, you should register on the Etherconnect platform. One, the reason why is because it is more cheaper to get EY5 on this Etherconnect platform. This is the back office of the Etherconnect platform, etherconnect.co. You see the description if you are linked down in my description button. You can buy it for $14. Whereas if you go to Fullcoin.app, there you will notice that the price of EY5 on this platform is $60. So it is more preferable to purchase EY5 on the Etherconnect platform. That is what I can tell you. That's the best advice you can actually get out there, because the thing is that on the later on they would allow us to cash out some of those tokens and move it to pancake swap to sell or do your own. But one of the things I will give you the advice and my strategy, business strategy on this coin, and what I really want to do with the coin as is coming up. So what I want to do is that one, you want to register here now. People ask me this question that which of the coins should I buy? Should I buy ECC? Should I buy UFI straight up? I know UFI is the most popular coin about it, but the obvious truth is that the best coin to buy is ECC. Like to buy ECC, it's more profitable to buy U than to buy UFI now, based on the condition of the price action and the price that's happening. That's the reason why I'm saying that is because ECC can give you passive income. So I will talk about that later on. I'll make a video on ECC coin. It can give you passive income that you can actually be withdrawing every day. That you, even if they don't give us the UFI to be withdrawing every month, they give us UFI to be withdrawing every month. You can be making money from UFI already without having to wait for UFI withdrawal dates. You guys know what I'm saying? And one of the another benefit of ECC is that once you have ECC token, you every 50 UCC you purchase, you will get one UFI to you. That's an airdrop for that. And also every ECC you get, you also have the Panda Inu token airdrops snapshots. So if you have UFI, if you have ECC, you get this Panda Inu. I'll make another video on Panda Inu and tell you what my plan is on it. So that's it. The best coin to buy right now is to buy ECC if you are new to UFI platform or UFI Finance or Etherconnect and you are going to engage. Buy ECC and buy some few percentage of UFI. But I told you the strategy is buy ECC. ECC will give you one UFI. That is the standard airdrop to talk about. And the other thing I want to talk about is that they have allowed the withdrawal. People that are talking about they are waiting for withdrawal. The withdrawal is that they have allowed us to withdraw an extra 0.3 UFI from our back office. It's already shown here. They have allowed us to withdraw another 0.3 UFI from our back office. So if you have already registered on this platform and purchase some coin, you can actually get 0.4. If you have not withdrawn before, but you have withdrawn before, you will be getting extra 0.3. That was the update they made on their negative updates. So this we can see here. They say the implementation of withdrawal text comes from ECC back office to BSC. So you can successfully implement it, and all ECC member, which is Etherconnect, can actually withdraw what 0.4 UFI token. Okay, and they make something mention that the current pricing of the fluctuation is obvious as members are early in the private sales like us. Most people are selling it. So one of the reasons why you see UFI at the price of $60 each, but you need to, I will tell you my strategy later on in the video, so you need to wait and watch what I want to do with this token in particular and my strategy that will pay you out, and I know everybody will learn from this, which is actually good. So you can, once you withdraw that out, another thing you want to consider is that you don't want to sell your UFI early. You can sell the 0.4 they give to you, that's cool, but if you have the plan of selling all the UFI, it is not actually an advice, but this is my strategy, and I'm going to tell you how I'm going to strategy. The thing is, sell some percentage of it, at least 30%, which means you sell your capital, the amount you invested in the coin, and another 100%, which means you are selling 200% at instant gain, which most people that actually have bought from the 0.10, which I make the core of my VIP group. If you are not, if you have been following me before, you know I've had people I talk about coin on the early stage, and I've already made a new Telegram Telegram group that I talk about mainly pre-sales, which I'll talk about later on in the video. So that's what you want to do, and the next thing you want to do is that you it down, because one of the reason why is one, as you see currently see the current stage, the current situation of the markets and Bitcoin becoming gradually bullish. Coins like Wi-Fi and other platforms that are currently working on, because one of the things they talked about in the update is that you need to see is that they are currently working on the AMDEX tech, and they mention some important things you need to keep in mind. What are those things? One, ECC is the governance token of the platform. EUFI will be the DEX token, and the Panda Inu they are planning to make will be the decentralized wallet token. So let me explain that. And they have another forthcoming project called what? An NFT token. So they have 4 tokens they are going to produce. One of the reasons why I like these people is because the marketing strategy is top notch. I mean, it's top notch. You have endorsed several marketers and several big names in the industry and many other celebrities that is involved in them. You know that you should be rest assured that it is a long-term vision, because they are waiting. They have a 5 years long vision of entering the token from the what they call it, from the private stage. So they want to make sure that they move it on private stage to the public stage in the next 5 years. So you want to hold this coin for the next 5 years to actually be in good hands. At least you have taken out your 200% gain already. And so let me explain what it means by the government tokens. The government tokens means that in the ECC that I mentioned before in the early state, that the ECC will be the governance token, which means that, for example, if I used to be SIS, the Binance Smart Chain, you know that the Binance Smart Chain is what you use to move coin. For example, if I want to move save move to if I want to transfer save move from one wallet to another, I need what? BNB. So what will be the main token that will be used in the platform would be ECC, that I've told you before. The EUFI will just be like the same way Cake is for Pancake. You know, Pancake uses BNB to does its transaction, which means that's what the UFA DEX will be using. And so the name of the central DEX, like the Pancake, their own type of pancake will be EUFI, whatever they want to call it, EUFI something. Then EUFI will be attached to that platform, like the way Cake is for Pancake, and BSC is the governance token for the blockchain. And the Panda Inu, which means they are going to create a wallet for, like the way you have Trust wallets, and we have TWT, which is the token for Trust Wallet. So the Panda Inu would be the token for the decentralized wallet token, which means that they'll be creating a wallet. We should be expecting a wallet, and we should be expecting what? An NFT token. That tells you enough that this is a long time project. For me, I'm telling you, this is not a project, and it's basically not an financial project, because I'm not a financial advisor, so you should get that. But I'm telling you what I'm seeing and what is really going on, and we should be expecting this budget by October of this year. And one of the things you need to know is that one of the reasons I told you about last time is that engage the platform. Now, people like me might not really want to buy the Panda Aerodrome because I have some EUFI with me and ECC. That's what I'm telling you. I'm telling you should buy ECC instead. But the buzz and the marketing for the Panda Enu is already going on, and people are already watching out for it to grab our hands on it. Which I might buy some sort of it, but some I might not really buy, because if you have ECC, you also get an airdrop of Panda Inu, but it's just in 50 to 54 days. Actually, the pre-sale of Panda Inu is in 9 days. So that's what you need to know about that. So I'll talk on about ECC staking and how to make passive income on this platform. People are actually cashing out on this, but it's not going to be on this because the video is already long for some reasons already that I've explained. So these are what I want to know. The video is open. You can actually take out some money for there. So I think that's what you need to know now. So you can use that And thank you for your time. Peace out and see you later.